stand and take my hand. Say against me.
We run this speaker itself, and I'm gonna show you why you use if it's a good speaker. Right after that, I'm gonna show you why you have to go not this kind of speaker if you have a subwoofer in the back in the trunk and using like a different kind of speaker. So we're gonna just see how the sound difference, just commercial speaker and the pro audio speaker, right? Hey guys, Mike is back with another episode. Like always, we have something interesting today. Today's sponsor of our video is a mic. It's in his pocket. One day I'm gonna get the big sponsorship, right? So today we have a Genius Audio again. 3 or 4 products from the Genius Audio, and I was impressed with the price and output they providing for us, right? For example, we have some companies like Lanzar, Rockville, Pile, Bose Audio. When you're going to budget car audio, and you're thinking, oh, of course it's gonna be project on your build, on your output, on your performance, but it's not all the companies like that. For example, one of the best company for so far, the price range and how I say all the time, like I test so many speakers from them and amplifiers, that's Ryan. They producing really good quality amplifiers for the price and the speakers for the price. And I'm guessing this is the next guy in America. They coming to US. They 30 years in the market, but listen, they coming to us, right? So we're gonna welcome. So today we have a cheapest 6.5 mid-range speaker from Genius Audio. The model name is here, M0365 full-on version. Even this is the unboxing video. We're gonna connect to amplifier, we're gonna see how's the sound quality, and we're gonna run them side by side with the other more expensive, a lot higher brand name speakers, right? Box cutter. All my videos, it's unscripted. As I do right now, I'm recording right away, and sometimes I do like crazy words, I cut them, and other ones, everything it stays the same. So my impressions are always like a first time. I never check the product first and do the video. I always unbox together on the camera at the same time I'm recording, and you're getting my all impressions. That's why this is like 100% true video. I will keep that. If it's the product is garbage, I always say it's garbage, or spend or keep the money, or buy the different product for the same price, right? Or spend a little bit more. Also, like always, they put the bunch of stickers and really good SPL frequency diagram for the speaker. These guys will play around 8,000 hertz. As you can see here, is 8,000 is decently like dropping, but mostly if you tune it around like 6,000, 5,000, it's gonna be very good playing speaker. Dimensions, and this is the slim version, right? If you have a problem with the mounting depth, it's of course it's gonna be the very good speaker. So here 150 watt RMS power, 300 maximum power, specs 135 to 8,000. It plays a lot high and should be nice and clean sound. High temperature voice coil, they use always the same nice voice coil. And also the decibel is a dB meter, it's like 94 decibel per watt, right? All right, so the paper they use, this is stiff. These all areas is a nice paper. It's very stiff speaker. Wow, it doesn't move. It is defective or not? No, it moves, but yeah, it's very stiff design. And I remember I made the review. Yeah, this basket is exactly the same basket with the Cadence Audio speakers, right? They all also, it was a $35, but the bullet type design was little different than this. Connectors the same. This guy maybe motor is gonna be a little bit bigger than Cadence Audio, but it is what it is. You have a huge the whole portion hole, as I say, is a lot of even the big name speakers, they make the mistake when you shut to this side. Even this guy doesn't made for the bass movement, but you have a, you know, a ventilation on the back. It's very nice. So design wise for $26. What else you can buy is a bunch of Lanzars, a cheap version of Scar Audios, but I didn't like the how the Scar Audios sound, the cheap like $19 version, like $25 version Scar Audios, but expensive ones maybe we're gonna buy them and we're gonna see it. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna connect to power, we're gonna run like always at the open air, lower volume to see the sound quality, details, and after then we're gonna give up more power and we're gonna cut the frequency around 130, 145. All the links I'm using on description. If you like me always reading the descriptions, I put up all the links on the description, right? What I'm using, all that stuff. Also, we're gonna add the tweeter here and see how it's gonna be producing the sound with the tweeter, and we're gonna compare with the 6x9. This is the coaxial speaker. Of course, some guys gonna start crying. This is not the apple to apple, like ball to ball connection comparison, but here's the deal. If you have a similar like good speaker, if you're thinking to get the louder sounds, should you switch to the Pro Audio, right? Let's go. Let's play some music. I'm always trying to find a nice music to guys for you. This is low volume. Let's give some juice. You know what? This is definitely screamer speaker. If you think like certain speakers, you can get a good, nice quality sound, but this guy, you want to be loud. That's it.
But they really entice me. Only one of me and nobody like me. Phone ringing and I tell them it's ice. I got wifey on blinking, she ice. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. Jeez, no, please, no photos. Hit the door and the dome and just whole team here might need some. Still young, but I move like a new deal to my lawyer. If it down in my management, I'm just warming up a way till I old producer saw the numbers one. Different colors in my baggy light. Chalk it up, talk of the town where you're talking up. Wanna get you.
Let's give more power. It's getting a full range. Full.
I'm thinking back on all those times when I felt close to farm. Thought that I could become eager but too scared to climb. Wanted to please my friends, but it felt like the end of myself.
Oh shit. This guy is like made for a certain level, right? This kind. For example, here shows like around 100 and spiking up. I believe this guy is like around 5. Yeah, exactly. Around this area, it's pitching the sound. That's why if you want screamer machine, this is the speaker for budget price, right? It's the price is only $26. Now I'm doing the video. A lot of times like prices, you know, changing. Let me play the different song. I'm giving the full range, even the bass it gets. Watch how much power I'm giving for this speaker. So this is the coaxial speaker. It's gonna produce a lot of bass. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna see what kind of sound I'm getting.
It's funny how my heart is wired. It doesn't make any sense to me. But who am I to quit? I'm leaving you for someone else, but it's not who you might think it is. You're already loving. I've been over this for a long time now, and I finally.
So you see that this guy is more balanced and plays a little lower. This guy screams higher, but it's only the pitch, the whatever you like. Now we're gonna add the tweeter.
You back the same way you've been loving me always. Please understand and take my hand. Say against me, 'cause I can't help that I'm feeling this way. I've been over this for a long time now, and I finally know where my heart is. Our last kiss, and I hope you know that I thank you for making me see it. No, I never meant to hurt you. No, I never meant to hurt you. But I'm in love with myself.
Surprisingly, this guy doesn't move at all. So if even on this volume, some speakers like jumping like crazy, but this guy doesn't move because it's made spiders, very hard spiders, and it's made for scream, right? And you can hear the difference with the tweeter. Is gonna be totally different. So now we're gonna tune it. Let me tune 130 hertz and we'll see. I need some headphones. Noise canceling headphones, right? So yeah, here's the deal, guys. Definitely for 29 bucks. This is a like clean screamer. There is no bass, no mid bass, mid punch, some speaker, mid-range speaker. You can tune a little bit and get to some bass at the same company. I did the previous videos. If you new to my channel, you have to definitely watch all the videos, all the playlists, end of the video I put it up. And yeah, here's the deal. So definitely this guy is a loud screamer, but if you want the nice sound quality, it's gonna be the different speaker. You have to find out the different models. But if you want to add just two speakers and bring up like loudness for the next level, that's the guy. To pair with this nice the bull tweeters, and that's it. You're gonna be happy. And only $26. All right, I'm out. I'm gonna run different product from these guys, and we'll see.